Hi, Simple Life Ministry. Lorna here, back at you with another video. Today I'm doing another rainwater video because yesterday we had so much rain and we were running around trying to fill everything that was in sight to make sure we can harvest enough water. And so I thought I'll come back here because today I'm not in the rain to, now I can talk. So I thought I would come back here and tell you some more things that I didn't get the chance to say the last time. So yesterday we filled all of these buckets. There's drums. So there's 1, 2, 3, there's 4 of them. 1 short one and 3 tall ones. And let me tell you, Simple Life, you should see the rain, the water coming down. And when you think of all this water coming down for free, you have to make use of it, because the government is not, who is the people that charge us water?
Water Commission.
The Water Commission does not hesitate to send us the bill. So whenever you can get free water to use, we have to make use of the free water. So what we do with these water now, whenever we're going to do the laundry, we would bail them out in buckets and bring inside the house to throw in the washing machine, and then we will also use them to do the rinsing. We fill up jugs, we use them to flush the toilets, we use them to wash the dishes. What else do we do?
That's about everything. Wash the floor.
Clean the floors, everything. That we use it to shower. We put it in a pan and we bathe. So in the bathtub inside. So it is so good for us. I have been drinking it. So what I do, I strain it in a cloth. Sometimes I put some charcoal in it. And what else do? I use it to wash my hair. The other day I took it for granted how nice it was on my body until I went somewhere else. And after showering, my skin was so dry, so flaky, seriously. And I said, oh my word, the rainwater, my body is missing the softness of the rainwater. So let me go down here now and show you. Even for here, these tubs were filled. We have 4 of them, and usually we fill them because the water is coming down from the roof. So we try to fill everything that is in sight that we can. Simple Life, we have these 3 drums also. So what my husband does, he put this thing on here. So when this here drum is filled up to here, then the water comes through and then it fills this one. So what he does, he bails the water from here now to fill this one. I think eventually he's going to do it where...
Yeah, one flows into the other.
Yes, and then you have like a
automatic system
going down. So this one, you build it up from the floor so it becomes higher than this, and then you're going to be making like a ladder.
That's right.
Right? Yes. And so I just want to show you this. This is the mint the beef mint that I used to cook with. And just the other day I planted it back here, and it's spreading like wildfire because of the rain. Over here we have this sorosy here. The sorosy is just spreading. We have a plant there, everything, all because of the rain. As soon as the rain comes, everything flourishes, because it is not just good for us to drink, it is good for the plants, it is good for our hair, skin, nails, everything. The rainwater is just amazing. So come on in the house, let me show you something. Can you make it? Okay, I don't need it. So over here now, Simple Life, I was feeling everything, like and meanwhile all of that was happening, my hair was wet, we were soaking wet, and we were going back and forth, just filling up everything. And I came in here and I went under here, the cupboard, and I took all the pots out. So I filled them up, all of them, I filled them. I remember the story in the Bible when Elijah said to the lady, she said, they thought they were going to die, she and her son. And Elijah came and he said, go and find whatever pots you can so I could get you oil. And she went to her neighbors, she went everywhere. And when she stopped finding containers, that's when the oil stopped. So that was my whole thing. Even the kettle is full, everything here is full, the blenders. I was just filling. Let me tell you something. If the basket didn't have holes, I would have filled the basket too. That's how much I was filling up with water yesterday. I even filled the washing machine with water so that I could do a laundry this morning. We filled up, this bucket here was filled, so many water. Even, it's amazing how when we turned the pipe on, we took the water for granted. The pipe is on and we just using. It's just free, it's flowing, and we just keep using until we get the bill. But now that we're harvesting the rainwater, I realize how much water we're actually using. Because today we've finished about 4 bath pans of water. This one is gone, and just all in cleaning up the house, cleaning up the stove, cooking, doing the laundry. So wherever it's possible for you to fill up on your water, get the rainwater. It's free, it's alkaline, it doesn't have any chlorine, doesn't have any pollutions in it. So use it up. The only thing I would say before you drink it is make sure it run off, because what we do is the first or the second drum of water, we do not drink that one. So the third or fourth one after, then those ones we would drink. And even so, sometimes we will put, a cotton cloth over it to strain it. Sometimes we put the charcoal, and that way we would drink it, and not before making it settles too. So we try to make it settle at the bottom and before we drink it. Another thing, right now we only have the plastic drums. So if we could get the metal or the iron drum, I'm trying to look into something that is better though than those plastic drums to harvest the water. One more thing I would like to say is, don't just grab anything to catch your water in to use. So if you find out what was in that drum, what was in that container before you use it. And also too, make sure whatever you get, you wash it out, scour it out, bleach it out, whatever it is you're going to do to make sure it is clean, it is sanitized, and it is ready for you to consume whatever is in it. If you know there's something that is not up to spec, then you can use that one after you wash it out really good anyways to do your plants, your flowers, your gardening or whatever. But the rainwater is very, very good. When we saw the last bill, that is why I'm so inspired now to keep on doing this, because when we saw the last bill and to see how low it was right there, it was so much lower, half the amount that it would normally be, right? I was like, holy, what a difference. And so now we've decided to keep it going. And again, if you're doing country living, if you're planning to do country living, this is the way to go. Save up on your barrels, get your barrels in, wash them, sanitize them, catch your water, do whatever you have to do. There are some big black drums that they have for sale. We're even looking into getting we actually have one on top of the roof. That one is full. We still have another drum in the laundry room we haven't showed you, that's full. We have 4 bathrooms in this house, and all bathrooms have about 12 bottles in each of them that is full with water. So we have rainwater all over the place because we try to use it all up so we can save on the city water. So I don't know what else I have to say. If there's any question, let me know in the comment section. What is your thoughts? What is your do's and don'ts of rainwater? It tastes so much different, so much better. Now it helps with digestion. I find that now that I am drinking the rainwater, I go more regularly, like it helps me. So I cannot go back from rainwater, you know, so I thank the Lord for his blessing from above. We just have to use it wisely. And I mean, give God thanks for everything that he gives us. I know now that when I go to the farm, everything is going to shoot up. I planted some corn the other day, and by the time I come, the rainfall, everything is like this. Tomatoes will be growing, everything. That's how much of a blessing the rainwater is. So start putting everything out. When you know it's going to rain, catch all the water that you can. Go out there, get your head wet, your clothes wet. Just enjoy the beauty and the blessings that God has given to us. So that is all for now. Simple Life. Again, remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for all those who have subscribed. And if you think this is a blessing to you, and you know somebody that it could be a blessing to, please share this video with them. It is free to subscribe to. And let me know in the comment section what kind of video you would like me to make, so that I can continue to serve you better. So thank you, and bye for now.